Alcohol, sometimes referred to by the chemical name ethanol, is a psychoactive drug that is the active ingredient in drinks such as beer, wine, and distilled spirits. It is one of the oldest and most common recreational substances, causing the characteristic effects of alcohol intoxication. Among other effects, alcohol produces a mood lift and euphoria, decreased anxiety, increased sociability, and sedation. So today I'm going to tell you some less known facts about alcohol that you might not know. And before that, please subscribe to the channel. At number 1, it takes only 5 minutes for brain cells to react to alcohol. Alcohol is absorbed through the lining of your stomach into your bloodstream, which then diffuses it into biological tissues throughout your body. Alcohol reaches your brain in only 5 minutes, with immediate effects appearing within 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, your liver begins processing the alcohol. At number 2, alcohol kills one person every 10 seconds worldwide. Harmful alcohol use not only leads to addiction, but it can put people at a higher risk of over 200 disorders like tuberculosis and pneumonia. At number 3, 48% of world's population older than 15 claim to have never used alcohol. Close to half of the world's adult population, 48%, is lifetime abstainers. The proportion of non-drinkers increases to 58% if those who have not been drinking alcohol the last 12 months are included. At number 4, alcohol and memories. It is often seen that many people forget the things that they have done after getting drunk. But actually, alcohol doesn't make you forget anything. When you get blackout drunk, the brain temporarily loses the ability to create memories. At number 5, people with blue eyes have a higher alcohol tolerance. New research out of the United States is pointing to a connection between blue eyes and alcoholism. According to the new study, people with blue eyes have a higher tendency to abuse alcohol than people with darker eyes. At number 6, beer was a soft drink in Russia until 2011. Alcohol consumption in Russia remains among the highest in the world. It was only in 2011 that beer was legally classified as an alcoholic drink in Russia, after former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev signed the bill. Until then, anything containing less than 10% alcohol was considered foodstuff in Russia. At number 7 is the snake venom, the world's strongest beer. Scottish brewery Brewmaster released snake venom, which they describe as the world's strongest beer. It boasts an impressive 67.5% alcohol by volume, which is very high considering beers are typically under 10%. It contains special ingredients to achieve such a high volume of alcohol, including smoked peat malt and 2 types of yeast. At number 8 is alcohol and cruise. In cruise, the guests are not allowed to bring beer or hard liquor on board for consumption or any other use. Security may inspect containers and will dispose of containers holding alcohol. The cruise ship provides alcohol to guests at their rates, so these cruise ships are stocked with a large amount of alcohol. In fact, there is a cruise ship that runs between Stockholm, Sweden and Helsinki, Finland, just to purchase cheap alcohol. At number 9 is the shape of the glass and drinking behavior. Can something as simple as changing the shape of the glasses keep drinkers from going off the rails? Yes, it does. And new research from England suggests that people drink more slowly when alcohol is served in straight-sided glass than when it's served in glasses with curved sides. So from next time onwards, make your drinks in a straight-sided glass. At number 10 is coffee as medicine. New studies suggest that drinking more coffee might help reduce the kind of liver damage that's associated with overindulging in food and alcohol. Researchers found that drinking 2 additional cups of coffee a day was linked to a 44% lower risk of developing liver cirrhosis. Therefore, the risk of developing cirrhosis may be reduced by consumption of coffee a cheap, ubiquitous, and well tolerated beverage. So that's all for today. And did you know that coffee is the world's second most valuable traded commodity in the world? If not, then please check out the coming video.